Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a behind the scenes footage of my Instagram photo shoot. I'm doing a lot of self-promotion these days, trying to get the footage of this hair, you guys. I want you to see all the versatility of it. I want you guys to see how beautiful this unit is. So while I'm at it, I'm going to get me some nice photos for my Instagram aesthetic because I've been really busy on my business Instagram. If you're not following me, it's Eyeminks LLC, and I'll be linking that down below so you guys go check that out. I've been doing pretty good at being consistent, so I want to make sure that I'm consistent with my content, the colors and everything like that, because my brand colors are really consistent and cohesive with my Instagram feed. So I really wanted to just, boss up and look really nice. So I'm just going to do my makeup. I'm going to also be entertaining my kids in this portion because I cannot do anything without them being in the way. So before I even started the video, I did go ahead and do my eyeshadow, which was very basic, and I also applied my lashes. These are my 3D Mega Volume Fox Mink lashes in the style ISSA, and I will be linking all the information down below. She is beautiful. The eyelashes just go perfect with my look. So here I am, just basically finishing off my foundation. I'm gonna apply, just everything that just goes with my makeup routine before I actually apply my wig. The wig that I'm wearing today is my Valentina wig. She's a 5x5 lace closure wig, and she is in 28 inches. I do have varying lengths, so when I do open up my shop, you guys will see that I have different lengths all the way up to like a 30 inch. And so I am going to wear her glueless today. I'm not going to put any glue on her. When I initially did install her, I did put glue, but you do not need to put glue on this unit. You can wear her completely glueless and she will look just as if you put glue on there, so that is perfect. I'm just going to continue to do my makeup. And I'm also going to just do like a mini install so you guys can see how the hair comes out and how it looks. And then we're going to get started with our day, you guys. I'm going to be taking these photos by myself with my tripod that I got from Amazon, you guys. And I will be linking that down below as well. And little Aria has to be in the video. She always wants to come and get her makeup done. She wants to be just like mommy, and I think it's the cutest thing ever. So I have to do her little pretend eyeshadow and, give her some little lip gloss so she'll leave me alone. And then I have to do the same thing for Avery because she's like literally pulling at my leg and she wants to be up here too. But I'm not going to talk through the whole video. I'm just going to let you guys see what I go through, my behind the scenes. Look at Aria with her little attitude. But I'm going to let you guys see the behind the scenes footage because I think it's important for me to show you guys my journey, my trajectory with being a mompreneur. And besides being a mompreneur, this is like a daily thing for me. When I do anything, I literally have to include my kids because I'm a mom. So yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch this portion. I will come back and give you guys more details as to the locations, not really the details, but I'm gonna talk you guys through what I did and how I do it. If you guys want another tutorial on like editing my videos and all that, because I've been getting a lot of comments on my photo quality and all that, I do take my photos on my iPhone. I will give you guys all that information, so please comment down below if you want that. But yes, I'm not going to talk through the whole video, so guys, please stay tuned and watch. Yes, we're going to just do our makeup, and yeah.
I've been waiting all night, watch you blow a mile out. Please don't come over, cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that. 'Cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this. I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you, oh. And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong, I don't care. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy, then let's be happy, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and.
Alright, you guys, she is all done and she's looking so gorgeous. I love how everything turned out. I love how the tones kind of play off with each other. I try to do like some gold and brown and a little hint of green to match my outfit. But I did not have time to do my nails, as you guys can see. Moms, you know, you feel me. So I got me some press-on nails from Walmart, and then I went ahead and got some photos at this like little shopping place. This is like in the back of the garage. I'm just taking some photos. I'm gonna show you guys my nails. They look so realistic. I love how they have the rhinestones on there, and they're actually very like, they're on there, they're not falling off or anything. This is the clicker that comes with, it's like a Bluetooth clicker that comes with my tripod, and I will link that down below because it's like $20. This is me driving to my second location. So I was gonna do 3 locations, but this actually was literally like hours before I had to go on a flight, so I had to hurry up and get this aesthetic. But pretty much this is my second location. This is the outfit, the dress. I decided to do 2 outfit changes, and it got really hot, so oh my god, I was like burning up. But the dress is really, really cute. These are the photos that I got, you guys. Oh my god, they're perfect. If you guys want to see them, they're on my Instagram. Please go like and subscribe because I'm going to be doing more. And as always, it's my pleasure. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.